So apparently my mom got stuck in the car. The seatbelt will not detach, so we're gonna go see what's going on here.
The car is giving her a hug. That's what it is. The car just wants to give her a big hug.
Mom, what's going on? What's the problem here? Would you like to?
Can't get out.
Would you like to explain what is the problem here for the video viewing audience?
It's video.
Yeah. So
why?
Now, would you care to explain exactly what's the problem? You explain it.
When I got in the car this morning,
Okay.
I couldn't put it in.
Okay.
And it couldn't click. But it finally did.
Step aside, everybody.
Now I can't get it undone.
Okay, so we are locked into the seatbelt here.
Where you can get around the corner.
No, don't get me out.
Okay, there we go. There's Austin. He's fighting with the seatbelt there.
How you doing?
Remain calm.
I just want to go home.
Somebody get
Well,
the
you're
Windex.
home.
Somebody pass me the Windex. It smells like horse manure out here.
I know. What is that?
The new mulch.
No, I just bought it.
Oh,
Excuse me.
They put the new mulch down.
So icy farts. Well, I guess we'll bring you out a plate. Anything else you need tonight?
You know what? Maybe I can squeeze out from under it.
Or maybe you could just set it off. That way you never actually have to put your seatbelt on. It'll always think that it is on.
I don't think that'll work.
Then my luck, I'd get a ticket for not having my seatbelt on. Whoa, Brandon!
Yes, sir.
You are so strong, Austin.
Brandon.
Don't worry, everybody. I got it.
Okay, now that you're free, how do you feel?
Like a new woman. I feel like the proclamation of the slaves has been free.